Hello, children. Are you ready for the next English lesson? Okay, so let's get started. I will show you some pictures here. Just look at this picture. This is the picture of a boy, and a boy is single here. Okay, there is just one boy, and boy is a noun, right? Now, if I ask you to say few sentences about this boy, how will you say that? You can say, like, this is a boy, the boy is smiling, the boy is thin, the boy has two eyes, the boy has a nose, the boy, again and again, right? So, in place of the boy, can I say something in place of the boy again and again? Yes. For boy, we use the word he. What word we use in place of the boy? For boys, we use the word he. And now, here is a girl. Girl is one and girl is also a noun. Now, if I have to speak for the girl, what would I say? This is the girl is looking beautiful, the girl has beautiful hair, the girl is wearing beautiful dress. Again, the girl. So, what word can I use here for girl? He? No, he is used for boys only. For girl, we can use the word she. SHE. We use the word she. Right? For boys, we use the word he. For girls, we use the word she. Now look here. Here are two boys and here are two girls. So here also I can write he. They are boys now, hai na? So can I write he here? No, you have to remember one thing, that he and she are used for singular noun only. Singular, one. When there is one boy or girl, only then we use the word he and she. But if there are many boys and many girls, then we use the word they. THEY, they. We can use they for boys as well as for girls. Okay, we use the word they for many people. Now, here you have to remember, for one boy we use he, for one girl we use she. For girls, she, for boys, he. But if there are many boys and girls, we can use the word they. Like for four of these people here, two boys and two girls, we can use the word they. When there are more than one person, when there are more than one people, we use the word they. Got it? Now, the words like, okay, one more example. Now, here is a ball. It is not a boy, it is not a girl. So, what would I call? He or she? There is one more word. When it is not a boy, not a girl, and it is anything. It can be a ball, computer, door, your toy, your road, book, pencil, anything. For anything, we use the word it. It. Like this is a ball, it is an object, it is a thing. So we will here use the word it. Right? For boy, he, for girl, she, for more than one people, they, and for the things we use the word it. Now these words, he, she, they, it, they are called the pronouns. Pronouns, the words which we use at the place of noun. They are called pronouns. Pronouns. I repeat, the words which we use at the place of noun, that is called pronouns. For example, look at this picture. This is the girl. She is saying, I am Lima. This is my family. I is also a pronoun. I. This is my grandpa. He is a doctor. Now, this is a boy, right? The male. So, for male people, we use he. He is a doctor. This is my grandma. She is a teacher. So there is one female, that is a girl. So we will use she here. Next, this is my father. Again, boy, he. He has a shop. This is my mother. She is a pilot. This is my sister. Now again one girl, so we will use she. She is 1 year old. This is me. So here we can use the word I. Okay, next, this is my doll. Now doll is a thing. So here we will use the word it. It says hello. Okay, now these words he, she, it. They are pronouns. They are pronouns. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. Look here. We use the words he, she and it in place of nouns. Such words are called pronouns. I already told you about this. So what are the pronouns? He, she, it, I, we, they and you. He, she, it, I, we, they and you are pronouns. Now let me tell you which words to replace with what. For example, I shows one person. I means one. For singular we use I. For ourselves only we use I. And if we have to turn it into many, it becomes we. We shows more than one person. We means when there are more than one people. See here, and you are also there. Right? When there are more people, more than one person, including you. That is we. We are girls. You shows both one and more than one person. If there is one boy, then also we say you. If there are more boys, then also we say you. Okay, we use you for one person also or for many people also. It is used for a thing. Now she, he, she and it, all these three pronouns shows one, the singular being. She shows one female, female means girl. He shows one male and it shows one animal or object. When there are many, we use the word they. I already told you, for many people we use the word they. They show more than one person, animal or thing. So today you have learnt about the pronouns he, she, it, I, we, you, they. I show you one more example. Let's look at this exercise. Mummy and I. Now there are more than one people and you are also there, I. So it means we. It means we. Mummy and I, we can say we. Seema is one girl. Seema is a girl and one. So for girl what we use? He, it, he or she. For girl we use she. Vijay. Vijay is the name of a boy. For boy what do we use? He. Okay, tell me one thing. If here it would have been written like Vijay and Anil, two boys, then also it will be he. No. Then we will join it with they. Because Vijay is one here, so we have used he. Now peacock. Peacock is a bird. It is, so here it. We use it for animals, birds and things. Okay, we use it for birds, animals and things. Now let's do it. We have to write he, she or it. Now uncle. Uncle is a boy, so we will use he.